So this is a Rambler, 3-bedroom, 1-bath. It's 1,600 square feet and 3 outbuildings. Huge bonus. They tried to list at $550 with no luck. So it looks like they definitely converted a garage at some point.
Yeah.
So they must be parking in the outbuildings.
Maybe.
But this is a great Rambler, beautiful roof.
Really nice. And it does look like it was freshly painted.
Yeah.
Big picture window, and they
Yes.
look like they're newer windows.
Which is always a plus.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you. Beautiful home.
Such a lovely area,
Yes. So how long have you guys been here?
Bought the place in 2006.
Okay, so about 15 years.
Yeah.
Wow,
But
okay.
not me. I moved in when we got married.
Awesome. I love it.
I love the stone
Yeah, it's
entry.
fun.
With this brick, the stone, hardwoods, it kind of gives me that mid-century feel with all the material. I love
Yes,
it.
it
We
is
love it.
definitely mid-century.
Wood-burning fireplace?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And you
Yes.
guys, I assume, put this on.
Yes, this is new.
Okay, that's beautiful.
The hearth here does look like it's seen better days.
Did you guys do this patchwork?
We
Before you
inherited
moved
that.
in, right? And been really stuck about what to do.
We've been able to wrap them. We've been able to replace them with a piece of quartz or granite to make it kind of more modern. So there are ways to improve upon it. Popcorn ceilings.
Yeah.
Cosmetically, it's not today's style. This is what?
Call it what you want.
Half pony wall.
I would consider it a ouch, but I also would enjoy sitting on it.
I know,
too.
I was gonna say this would probably be where I would
Mine was
find
sturdy.
myself.
Well, you hide it really well when you do that.
Oh,
though.
sure.
Well, maybe we'll
So-
Just sell the
so-
house like this.
Yeah, exactly.
Welcome.
This is the family room.
This was probably the original garage.
Yeah.
Yes.
And another wood burning, so this is
is
the one that
cool.
you used.
Yes. Let's go into the kitchen.
Your kitchen feels a little bit tight with, you know, your little kick out here.
We kind of fight having to get out.
Buyers are still looking for that completed home. With interest rates being higher, they don't have the ability to, you know, purchase and then turn around and take out a loan with a home equity line or whatever. So they want those things done. You can almost guarantee a buyer comes right in and heads straight to that kitchen.
Yeah. And really the comments that we heard all the time were, kind of needs to be updated.
Oh,
Go
this
on
is a
in.
big bathroom.
It is a big bathroom for being the only bathroom.
Yeah.
It is definitely dated.
Maybe without the closet in here, we could do extra countertop space and double vanity, which would be nice if it's the only bathroom in the house. This could be a really great space to work with.
Definitely. I think my biggest concern on this property would probably be if, you know, we're gonna be able to do what we need to do here within a reasonable budget. I think the real estate agents and the market analysis that you got at $550 as is was right on from what I'm seeing, but there's a lot of potential here. We'll do a little bit of research and then get back to you.
I want to go over some ideas for Pam and Jeff's house.
Yep.
I was thinking simple farmhouse.
Love it.
We're going to open up that kitchen. First, we'll get rid of that clunky peninsula. We'll do new floors, new cabinets, and we'll move the fridge to the other side of the room. It's going to feel so much bigger. As far as in the bathroom, we can bring better style in there. We're taking out that linen closet, so we'll have room for a nice new double vanity. New floors, new tub, and new tile surround.
We're at $550 as is.
Okay.
We could bring this to $650.
Nice.
Maybe push that if our market starts to improve. We're gonna put in $80,000. Once we get that back, that leaves $20,000, $10,000 for Pam and Jeff, $10,000 for us. Owen and the team are tearing out that old kitchen, including the peninsula, which made that space feel very tight. And in the bathroom, we're taking it down to studs. The linen closet, single vanity, and the old tub, gone.
Walk through here
With my bowling
carefully.
certificates.
Carefully.
I want to see what it looks like from that side.
Yeah.
That's perfect. I think this is gonna work great, Les.
We have light on both
Got
sides.
windows in this room.
Let's go check out the bathroom.
I'm ready.
Oh,
We've
this
got-
is huge.
We got our double vanity plumbed in, and then we've got our new tub.
Can I show you the floor?
Yeah, you can show me the floor.
So this will be the floor.
Ooh, I like that. It's different than the black and white in the kitchen, but still that same kind of farmhouse style.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that'll be on the floor. And then for around the tub. So I'm thinking all the walls around here. And then we got a brand new
Got a brand new tub. We got a floater in here.
Well, that mouse is gone, and the guys are installing that cool subway towel around the tub, as well as that simple farmhouse flooring. And in the family room, we've got the painters going with a bright white to make that small space feel as big as possible. Then in the kitchen, we're putting down backer boards so Owen can start laying the floor tiles.
90 degrees, left and right.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. We got everybody working.
I showed up early.
Is this where your hat was sitting in the front lawn?
Gotta keep some things clean.
Can I walk on it?
Yeah.
So this is gonna be what we lay our tile on?
Yep.
Looks good. This makes a big difference, having that out.
Over the last 3 days, Owen and his team have been doing floor tile, and a lot of it across the entire dining floor and the kitchen. Now, we've got new kitchen cabinets to install, the apron sink, and beautiful butcher block countertops, and even more tile in the mudroom. It's all hands on deck here for the last few projects at Pam and Jeff's house. We're staining, we're painting, Owen's installing appliances in the kitchen. And Lyndsay, well, yeah, against my protest, she's putting in that rooster wallpaper.
I think when you're doing simple farmhouse, you have to add chickens or roosters somewhere. I mean, is it really simple farmhouse without it? No, it's not. We're loading in the furniture and decor, and it's my favorite part of the process, staging. In a tough real estate market, staging becomes even more critical. You have to help the buyers be able to see themselves in the home. And my simple farmhouse style is gonna do just that.
These are floating shelves that I made to go right here. And then that one we'll put just right up there. Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's go unpack more stuff.
Throughout the house, we have lots of local photography. I'm thinking like a cool collage on this wall of all this local art.
Yeah.
So I'm mixing both color and black and white. I know farmhouse traditionally, a lot of people think of black and white, but you can mix in like pops of color. There.
I am so excited.
So excited.
Sweetest couple ever. Jeff sent me a message just saying how grateful he was. They're so excited and grateful, and they haven't even seen it. So these are the kind of couples we love working with.
So looking forward to seeing this place.
I can hardly wait. I just know it's going to be spectacular.
It is.
Oh, I think this is them. This is them. Hi, guys.
Oh my goodness, look at it. It's so beautiful.
Welcome home.
Oh, it's great
I
to be
can't
here.
believe it.
Okay, what are you guys anticipating finding inside?
Oh.
Just a fabulous transformation.
Okay, we can deliver that.
Yeah.
Maybe the kitchen?
Yes, in the bathroom.
Yes. Okay. Okay, let's go.
The most important thing will be the buyers. Oh my
yes.
gosh. Oh my
Love it.
goodness. Look at this. It doesn't hardly look the same. This is gorgeous.
Oh, and look, the mantle
Yes.
is amazing.
And we put on this quartz to really update it.
Perfect.
So it's a lot more modern.
Just kind of changed the whole fireplace.
Yeah.
It
The
just
whole
kind
feel
of,
of it,
it kind
yes.
of looked like it got a facelift.
Exactly.
I think what you've done with the placement of the furniture really accents the space too.
And what a difference not having that little wall.
Yep. You actually have a dining room now.
So my style here was actually simple farmhouse.
I love the way it flows.
Yeah.
And I love the tile and I love the transition.
We had to take out just a tiny
Yep.
little strip of hardwood floors.
I think the compromise was a really good
Yeah.
choice. There's only one door.
It's a beautiful thing. It's
How much more space did that give us?
Tons.
We can use that whole corner because we only have one door.
Exactly.
before
It opened up.
One door living room.
This is
That is
so
Wow, look at
nice. Oh, good, you didn't touch this brick either.
We did have to cut through this brick
Okay.
to put our new door in.
I wanted there to be that cool farmhouse, old house door.
Oh, chickens!
What? Oh, wow. What a statement.
I love this, you guys. Yes.
When Lyndsay told me I was wallpapering with roosters, I fought until I saw it. And then I was like, that is so cute.
It is.
Yes, because I think it could be corny.
Totally.
But this is not corny.
No,
at
it's
all.
so fun.
It is adorable.
Yeah.
New lights, new floors, and then new countertops throughout.
And I really miss this room.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
You know,
It's such a cool room. All right, let's look at the kitchen.
oh,
Oh, wow. Holy cow.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
We've got that Snohomish farmhouse feel, but not over the top with farmhouse. We've got the black and white, we've got the farmhouse sink, you know, all of that.
I love it.
I mean, the farmhouse feel is good. Keeping it simple.
This is a big space without that big peninsula, you know, coming out.
Tons of workspace.
Yeah, and relocated the dishwasher.
Yep.
I like the backsplash. You carried it on
Yes.
Yeah,
with
it's
the
perfect.
brick. I just can't get over it. It's just so gorgeous.
All right, we'll go over to the main bedroom.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
Wow, this looks
at
so
this.
much bigger.
So in here, we wanted to still put a queen-size bed, a big bench, 2 big nightstands, so that people could see it's a good-sized room.
Oh, look what they've done with the closet.
Oh,
That is
very
That
nice.
is really
very,
well
very
done.
nice.
Yeah.
Although it's a smaller closet, there's good storage in
Yeah.
here, using it from the ground all the way to the ceiling in there.
Yeah, it
Amazing.
looks bigger.
Yes.
A lot bigger and deeper. Okay,
All right, do you guys want to go see the bathroom?
absolutely.
Yes, and I am so excited to see this bathroom transformation.
My,
Oh, wow.
how did they pull this off? Oh,
This
man.
is so beautiful.
I love the tile.
Ever since I moved into this house, I said, we need double sinks. And there's double sinks.
Yes. This is a
Man.
custom vanity that
Oh.
Lyndsay had made.
I felt like this bathroom, being the one bathroom in the house, needed to be like amazing. And I really wanted that double sink too.
I love the mirrors.
It makes it,
Lighting is really smart.
I mean, it was a big bathroom, but this really makes it seem bigger
Feel.
now.
No. It doesn't feel like it's a negative to have one. Well, let's go back into our living room and talk a little bit about what our next steps are. We were at about $550. That's the evaluation you guys had received. We felt like we would have to put in $80,000 to get it to really top level for selling. Then we would be able to list the home at $650. Once we get back our $80,000, there's still $20,000 to split 50-50 with $10,000 each.
I mean, you guys crushed it.
I'm excited. Let's get a family in here.
Yes.
I just with the happy little voices of children and
yeah.
running outside in the back with
Yes.
the chickens.
Yes. We're gonna get it on the market tomorrow and start some open houses this weekend. And I feel confident that we'll be calling you on Monday with an offer or two. I do, Lynn.
I love it. I feel like we could do it as well.
Sounds good. Thank
Awesome.
you.
Thank you so much. It is a small house with one bathroom.
Yep.
But it is a beautiful house. You've got
Great location.
great property.
We maximized this square footage in this house.
And I think we maximized the value here.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Here comes somebody. Really?
Yeah. Finish watering your plant, yes. Welcome, I'm Leslie.
Hi, Leslie. I'm Dean. This is my daughter, Karen. We're having an open house.
Yes.
Come on in.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Oh my gosh. Hi guys, welcome. Come on in.
Oh, hi.
I love this.
This looks beautiful.
You guys have done a great job staging it just in general, but it's so spacious.
Thank you. We do have this main living space and then an additional living space here attached with a mudroom.
We're going for that like simple farmhouse.
I like the open space.
Yes.
Yes.
Good choice on the butcher block, too.
Yeah, it looks so nice.
I think I like the vibe. I mean, for me, this is really cute.
This is our additional living space.
How cute.
Wow.
The use of wood throughout the house, I feel like it all makes it so
Cohesive, right?
Yeah,
like
totally.
put together.
Is this a bathroom behind you?
This was actually a fun project. I
Nice.
wanted that separation between this room and what is a really cool mudroom.
Oh, so for the dogs.
Yes.
I love this. It's so pretty.
I like the little chickens.
there's
Even over
no
here.
shortage of windows in this house. And
And
it's so
yeah.
bright.
Cute little potting room too, just right off
Yes.
the back for all the
Exactly.
flowers and planting.
And great like pantry space too, if you want overflow or craft room or anything like that.
We only have one bathroom, but here it is.
I love that you guys kept the same colors kind of throughout, and
Yeah.
the natural woods and the black accents. And oh wow, this is so beautiful.
Okay, so this isn't so bad for being
Yeah,
one
no,
bath.
this isn't bad at all.
Oh my God.
This is so cute. Ooh, the old school hardwood floors too.
Very
Oh, look
warm.
at the closet with a built-in. Oh, that's nice.
The house is $650,000.
Okay.
It's reasonable for everything that's on, like
perfect.
the
I mean, that's what
property.
we
and-
feel. Thank
Oh,
you.
yeah.
I love it.
It's amazing.
It's
you
so
guys did
cute.
such an amazing job here.
Oh, thank you. We would love to hear from you and hopefully get you into this house.
Yes, thank you.
Awesome.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
How are ya?
Doing great. Good. How about you guys?
Good. We got an offer on the house. So, as you know, we listed at $650. We didn't get the $650 list price. We actually got $675.
Oh, wow. Nice.
I know. We're so excited.
I think it's the rooster wallpaper.
Oh, of course, yeah. Yes, I think, Lyndsay, you're correct.
So, with the $80,000 that we'll get back from our investment, that still leaves us $45,000 that we'll split 50-50. So $22,500 and $22,500.
Wow, that's great. That sounds wonderful.
Awesome.
Yay.
That makes me so happy. Okay, well, I'll send over the paperwork and we'll get this closed up.
All right.
See you soon.